Hello, hello. I'm here with my wife to swatch the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. And do they have the names of the colors right here? They do not. Alright, I'll see if I can find this on Amazon. If I can, I'll put an associated link to it. This palette does come with a mirror. And it looks like the names are right here. So, we're going to start on this end at the top. Bling Bling. As you see, I'm swirling around a few times, and I'm just going to do one swatch swipe. That's nice. Next up is Hush Hush. So first we do the Bling Bling, and then we have the Hush Hush. Oh, that's a nice one, and that has a good feel to it too. Next one's this pretty purple called Gem. It has a little bit more of a tooth to it, a little not as smooth feeling. Okay, and then next up is Pizza. Pizza 72. Pizzas. That's a pretty color. This next one's called Mystic. Ooh, that's a nice rich color. Next up is this one over here called Sparks. That one's nice as well. Then we have one here, Glitz and Glam. Another shiny one. Oh yeah. Then one there, Rockstar. This is going to be a real bold, rich one. Very similar to that one.
Lighter.
This is more brown, this is more red. But very similar. Those actually, I could see those being really used in the same way as far as like, because they're so similar. Okay, next up is this Ballsy. I'll find a place to have it. That one's pretty. And last up is this Berry Treasure. That's a really pretty one. You can see the glitter on that. Ooh, that is pretty. Here, if you can bring it up. Oh yeah, and then do it like tilt back and forth. Yeah, that one. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Let's see here. Yeah, it looks like it would blend fine if you're looking to blend out. Yeah, you could blend that completely out if you wanted to. So I'm sure the rest of these are pretty blendable as well. They feel like they would blend well. I don't have any open to do any serious blending. But yeah, I think this is a nice palette. I would recommend it, especially for this final color here. This one called Buried Treasure. That's my favorite. Do you have a favorite, Lisa?
It'd be that one too.
That one, I love the level of shine that it has in it. Yeah, that one's really pretty too. I like that one as well. So yeah, I like this. Let me know if you have this palette, if you've ever used this palette. Excuse me. If you've ever used this palette before. But yeah, I'd say it's a winner.